What is going on, everyone? Welcome to Speed Assassins. We are up and out in Brighton early. It's a Saturday morning. We're going to head down to the local Cars and Coffee. Now, the cool thing about the Cars and Coffee in Indy is once a month they actually hold it at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway in the infield next to the museum. So this happens to be the weekend for that. So we're going to take the Chevelle down there, fire it up, see who shows up. Now, as you can see, kind of wearing the heavy hoodie because we went from 80 degrees 2 days ago to it's supposed to be a high of 50 today. So the good thing is that it's sunny out and it's going to be one of the last good days before the weather really turns cold. So we're hoping that a lot of cool people show up. So every now and again, you'll even get some of the race car drivers to show up in some of their exotic cars. We've had Graham Rahal show up a few times, so a couple of the other race car drivers. So we're gonna fire the old girl up and head on down, see what the day has to hold. Cold start on a 68 Chevelle. Which lane do we want? Oh, we better just take this one. All right, there's the Motor Speedway Museum. All right, here we are, guys, inside the famous Indianapolis Motor Speedway. Pretty cool event, actually. So right off the bat, we have a really nice Hellcat.
Yeah, it was cool. It was.
A really nice GT4 right here. Nice Alcantara inserts there. Red contrast stitching. Very nice spec. There we go, nice M4 right there. Nice tuxedo black. We have a older Porsche Turbo, but with some really cool HRE wheels. Nice looking wheels on that thing. Got a little Alfa Romeo, little golf cart on steroids.
Time to get up and go. And our kids
There they.
Yeah. You don't think that you could, like, if you worked a couple 24-hour races, you get hours off, and it's like...
Really nice Aston Martin Vantage.
Wake up and there's...
Like only outfits on the one end, shouldn't be unless we go living Long Beach up there with the
Really nice. That's an interesting color right there. Oh, you're fine. The color on that is a very unique color. Here's an old school Ferrari 348. Check that out. Old school 5-speed gated manual. Nice GTO rolling in. Check this out. Ferrari F430.
Right before, and it was like right before you got it. So it's kind of like, you know, celebrity value. People think it doesn't matter. But a president, it's, you know, celebrity doesn't matter until they're dead. When they're dead, then you can say, oh,
Shut up, Dave.
So this guy actually has a Florida plate, so I asked him if he actually drove it up to avoid the hurricane that just hit down there last week, and he said he didn't drive it up, but he had it transported. But yeah, it was to avoid the hurricane that came through. So smart guy. You don't want to let one of these get taken by the hurricane. Nice NSX going by right here. Those really have stood the test of time. They still look modern, aggressive. And then right here behind the F430 you have an old school Testarossa. It's a nice Boss 302, all original. Beautiful, all original Boss 302. Amazing. Of course, when you have cars and coffee at the Speedway, they treat you to a few of the official 500 cars here. Starting with this year's pace car. Look at that wing, jeez. That thing is amazing. Check this out right here. You guys want to talk about girth? Talk about tires? There you go. That's a tire. This was actually raced in the 1963 Indianapolis 500. Came in second place. Can you imagine?
I know that, but I don't really think that.
Strapped in from that view right there, doing in excess of 200 miles an hour around this 2.5 mile oval. I mean, look, no safety provisions really at all. Just a steering wheel and a couple pedals. This particular car was powered by a Lotus engine. Now here, check this out, guys. 1954 Corvette. Owner said that this color is a 1 of 200 in this particular blue color. That is just beautiful. This is where the love affair with the Corvette started. Right here.
Oh yeah. They're,
Okay.
The color in the sunlight is just amazing.
Well, Frank here said I think it's the last one of the. It is, yeah. So, yes, yes. How you doing?
Pretty good. How you been?
Good,
I
good.
thought I recognized you.
Well, and actually, well, Don here, I've went to school.
so
with
they're like
Frank.
almost full size, but not quite.
So when they come over here, I go, oh,
You just don't see the old 1953, 54 Corvettes hardly ever. I mean, this is pretty darn rare to see a car and have it in this kind of condition. I mean, this thing is perfect.
it's really, actually, I don't even think.
I was looking at cars to find that had
The Z28 with a 302 in it was actually the one that revved much higher than the normal
car to take on.
350.
The weather was good. You know, there's a chance of rain. Didn't rain on
Well,
us.
that thing is clean. I mean, it is just factory original. All the markings, the factory markings on there.
Okay, John did a nice job. John did all the roads. I was prepared. Scott
Beautiful.
He did all that. The roads were great.
We're down here inside the Indianapolis Motor Speedway, the 2.5 mile oval. Behind me is the museum, and kind of right over about that way-ish is the pagoda. So, turned out to be a really great Cars and Coffee today. The weather is not too bad. It's a little chilly, but better than the raining and 38 that it was last night. So, the sun's out, a lot of cool cars showed up, a few Ferraris, things like that. But that's gonna do it for this video. Please, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, press the like button, subscribe, and we will catch you next time.